In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP Neverstop Laser 1202NW series printer on your Windows PC. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search up HP Neverstop Laser 1202NW printer support. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be an HP support page that says HP Neverstop Laser MFP 1202NW. Go ahead and open that up. And now that we are on this page, go underneath the support category that says software and drivers. And now you want to just scroll down and select the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software and the corresponding download button for that. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file to run it. And if you receive a user account control prompt, it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and you can close out of the browser or minimize it. And then just follow through the on-screen prompts of getting your printer configured to your device, whether you want to install optional features, and if you want to have a wired or wireless connection for your printer connected to your device, you're welcome to make those selections as well. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.